Hello, my name is Colin and I built this tool. It's called Ngwips. Now what is it? Ngwips is a tool that aggregates model data, weather model data, and generates outputs similar to a lot of what already exists. However, it does it a little bit differently. Also available is interactive modeling tool or interactive radar tool, and in the future forecasts, meteograms, and also some tabular and graphical model output data. But so I'll log in and show you guys a little bit about what it can do. So first you see here is a map of the US. And up here you'll see currently has 3 models in operation. The GFS, the NAM, and the NAM 4-kilometer model. And it has various levels in the atmosphere for each model. So for the NAM 4-kilometer, it's only focused on surface-based stuff, while the NAM, on the other hand, has the upper-level stuff. Excuse me, it's the NAM 40-kilometer, and the GFS 0.5 degree. So I'll go ahead and overlay some stuff and show you what it can do. So let's go ahead and overlay the 500 millibar heights, and we can loop it. We can select a different run. So this is the March 10th GFS run, valid at 18 Zulu. We can go ahead and loop it. Okay, great. So one model we've looped, and it looks great. So let's go ahead and take a look at what makes Ngwips a little bit different than the other sites out there. So what we can do is we can overlay 2 different models at the same valid at the same time, and we can see how they differ. So let's take a look at the NAM and the GFS. Well, the NAM and the GFS here are in pretty good agreement. However, the dark green line here is the GFS model, and the light green line is the NAM. And we can see at the 84th forecast hour that the GFS and the NAM are actually a little bit different in opinion on how deep this drop is. The GFS is a little deeper with this drop, and the GFS or the NAM is a little less deep. I can't think of a better word, but excuse me, I'm just showing a tech demo. Been out of the meteorology field for a while. So let's see. We can overlay some high resolution stuff. So let's take a look at simulated reflectivity. Now this uses a simple algorithm based on the lower 30 millibars thickness and the temperature to determine whether it's snow, freezing rain, or rain. But here's the simulated reflectivity from the NAM 4-kilometer model. And this one's my favorite, by the way. Okay, great. Not a whole lot interesting going on right now. So what we can also do is we can say, okay, let's see what the NAM 40-kilometer predicts for the upper levels. So here's the overlay, the 500 millibar heights. Let's say we can also overlay 1,850 millibar thicknesses, and we can go through it and check it out. Okay, great. We can see on the higher level. Let's pick a state or something. Center on state. Let's pick North Carolina. And there's only a few available right now, but there'll be many available in the future. So let's go ahead and overlay 1,850 millibar thicknesses. Let's overlay heights. Let's overlay simulated reflectivity. All right, let's go over to the radar tool. So now you'll see the next rad mosaic of the entire US. And with this tool, you can go up here, you can stop the loop, you can start it, we'll go ahead and stop it again. You can also step through it, and you can step and reverse. You can also zoom into a region. Like North Carolina here. North Carolina, Tennessee. And we go ahead and start the loop. And you can see a nice band of showers here, but overall a pretty interactive radar application. And that's all that there is right now, but in the open beta I hope to have a few things like warning polygons, alerts. I don't think I'll get to the point of vector motion, but I'll go ahead and run through a quick couple of slides just to describe Ngwips and hopefully sell you on it. So, Ngwips. A few features that I hope to have ready for open beta in June. The NAM 4-kilometer model, the high-resolution RUC, the RAP, the ACMWF, the NavGem, the UCMET, and the HWRF for hurricanes, hopefully for the summer. Obviously, interactive radar tool, and that's mostly finished. The US and 7 subregions, hopefully, for the Midwest, the Northeast, Southeast, Southern Midwest for strong storms and cool things to look at. Southwest, not a whole heck of a lot that goes down there in the winter or in the summer. The Northwest and the Northern Hemisphere, so you can view stratosphere stuff and climate related stuff. So why Ngwips? Why? There are tons of model tools out there. Why would you choose mine? Well, model analysis images on my site will generate faster than any other competitor. I can guarantee that. I've been in this game for a while. I know how to program, and the Ngwips uses, I have a VM cluster, and they're multi-threaded programs that leverage a lot of processing power, and I can use it a lot better than running a few crons that run every couple of hours. These things are event-based. Even if the FTP servers go down for a little bit of time, they will catch them right when they go up, and they'll generate those images, and they'll get them out faster than any other competitor. I can guarantee that. There's a lot greater flexibility and a better user experience than any comparable site. You saw it for yourself. I don't think I need to explain that. There are high-resolution models. There will be historical runs. Only 2 were available right there, but in the future I hope to have 10 or 15, roughly. Interactive radar, I don't know why that was in there twice, I'm sorry. But mobile tablet optimized user interface, I hope to have that done pretty soon. There will never be a single ad on Ngwips. I can guarantee that. Never. Seriously, no ads. There will be a monthly subscription though, but it will be much lower than any other competitor, I can guarantee that. I'm shooting for probably $7 to $9 a month range. But it will be free while in open beta, so go at it. Future developments though, so model and radar cross sections. I've never seen radar cross sections on any other site, but they will be on mine. And I'm currently halfway through development of that. Point model forecast, also a simple thing, but I've never really found it on any other site. So you'd be able to click on a map and get the textual output for every single model they have available: ECMWF, GFS, NAM, etc. Tabular and graphical output. So a time series output also. Ensembles, those are pretty much everywhere, but they'll also be on my site. NWS polygons, 5 to 7 day forecast, storm motion vectors, etc., etc. I hope to have those done, probably not in the near future, but if my interest peaks, I'll develop them in the near future. But that's it. Thanks a lot for listening and watching this, and I hope that I've at least piqued some of your interest. Please leave me some feedback if you could, and I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you.